Hiya! This jollof rice was so delicious, and I'm going to show you how I made it. So the first step is to parboil your rice and wash it off, and then next we are going to fry our puree tomato on this pot, and then on the other pot we are going to dry out our fresh plum tomatoes. I normally try and dry out the plum tomato first before putting it into the frying oil. Okay, in the pot of puree, I'm also going to now add the onions into it. Once the plum tomato has dried out, I'm going to now add it into the puree and start frying them together. Now I'm going to fry this until it's dry without getting burnt. And then ladies, you need meat for this. So any kind of meat that you can cook and cut it tinely and fry it will be great. I also put away the water which I'll add into the jollof rice as well. I normally prep meat and put in the fridge, so that is why you're not seeing this step. Next, we are going to add two knorr cubes, and then we are going to add our rice into the pot and stir it. One thing you need to know about me is I always add a lot of seasoning into my meat. So that's why I'm not doing the most with this jollof rice. The water from the meat is really juicy and tasty. And now we are going to add water into the mix. Just add water until it's just above the rice, and then we are going to turn it a bit more. Give your food some tasting. If it's not tasting as delicious as you want, you can add more seasoning. This is all purpose seasoning that I'm adding. It doesn't need any salt at this moment. And then I'm going to cover it with foil. I'll heat it on a high heat until it starts getting steamy. Then I reduce it to medium heat and let it cook. So in between, I opened it to see how it's doing, give it another taste, see if the rice is soft or if you need to add a little bit more water, which I didn't need to. It was fine. Everything was good. It was tasting really nice. So all I did was cover it again and cook it for another 10 minutes until the water was gone. And that's it. So delicious. The color was popping. The meat gave it a whole level of taste and it was so nice. So let me know if you try this recipe. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.